I'm going to quickly show you how to install the Arduino IDE and install the driver that's required for the little Arduino Nano and get you going with the programming. So as you can see, I'm on the chickbot.club website and we are going to scroll down to setting up the software. And first of all, we need the software, so we are going to click, and I'm just going to open that in a new tab. And I'm now going to download the Windows installer. At this stage you don't have to donate. I plan on donating a little bit every time someone buys a batch of chickbots, so you could just go to just download and it will just give you a little warning, as all things on the internet need to be thoughtful, but we are coming from the genuine Arduino website, so we are going to save that, and that will take a few seconds to run, so you can just grab a cup of coffee. As you can probably tell, my broadband isn't the fastest internet connection, but the views out of the window, as I live out in the country, are just spectacular. So we can now click on Run, and it just asks us to confirm we want to run this program, and we are confirming the license, and we just say next because we want to install all of those good things, and we want to install, and again there'll be a little bit of processing that's required. It installs all these exciting different things. Now you'll see that this is installed relatively quickly on some older machines or those with older style disks. It may actually take a few seconds longer to do this. We do need to install some driver software, so we will trust software from Arduino. It's a signed driver, so that's it's a good thing. And just let that run for a few seconds. Be processing in the background, and it just needs another USB driver, which we will install. And it's completed, so we can close that. Now the chickbot also needs an extra piece of driver software for the particular model of Arduino that we're using, so we need to go and grab that off the chickbot website, and we can download this, and this is actually coming from the chickbot.club website, because this way I can be sure that you've got the very latest version. There's quite a few different ones randomly scattered around the internet. So we're going to save that. It does say that the publisher can't be verified. That is part of the challenge with all of the different things, but as I say, it has come from the chickbot website. So we will run that, and it's asking if it should be allowed to do its work, and we get this rather clunky interface. It's because all of these Arduinos are coming from a manufacturing plant in China. So we'll just click install, and it'll just take a few seconds, and then in rather fractured English it says that that's all done. So that's good. We can click OK, and we can close that away. Now Windows can't tell whether this installed OK, so you can just say this program installed correctly. Okay, so having got the software installed, our next trip is into doing a little bit of configuration. I'm just going to close away this tab, go back to the beginning of the website, scroll down to set up the software, and there is some general information available on the Arduino website. So we have downloaded and installed the software. We've actually done the drivers, which is always better before you connect something. So we can plug our Arduino in. And then we can do the launching the Arduino software, which is going to look like this. Now, it's never been run before, so it's being highlighted. We click Arduino, it starts up, and it needs a little bit of configuration because it doesn't know that it's talking to a Nano, and it's not sure which COM port it's on. You can hear it clicking away in the background. So under Tools, we're going to tell it that it's actually an Arduino Nano. Here we go. And we need to tell it it is on COM port 3. And we can now test this by doing an upload. And it says it's done uploading. So we're all good. We are now configured and set, ready to be able to start doing our programming.